Right, you lot, gather round. The Apple Watch it here. Your local Mackenzie friend and divorce coach. Still 45 with a 19-year-old soul. 19-year-old soul who's just nicked the last pint at the pub. Let's talk about surviving the absolute circus of narcissistic abuse. Once you've clawed your way to acceptance, and let's be honest, it's like dragging yourself out of this emotional skip fire. You've got to find meaning and purpose. Turn that steaming pile of regret into something epic. Surviving a narcissist, it's a bloody superpower. And I'm not joking. In courtrooms and coaching sessions, I see it daily. You lot become human lie detectors, sniffing out manipulative tossers before they can even blink. Now, narcissistic relationships, they're like signing up for a rage fest you didn't RSVP to. You're angry, fuming, thinking this is more unfair than a reality TV vote-off. Then bitterness creeps in, like a dodgy uncle at a wedding. Anger versus bitterness. Now, there's a difference, a big difference, and it's massive when you're untangling from those prats. Anger's normal, an emotion screaming, that's bollocks, this is bollocks, this is bollocks. Bitterness, that's you sipping poison, hoping the narcissist kills over. And spoiler alert, they won't. They'll be busy posting selfies with their new soulmate. That's right, you'll still be stewing, waiting for karma to pull its finger out of wherever the finger is, where it shouldn't be. But still, nonetheless, we move forward. It's I run workshops on this, and check out my site, Jason Appleyard, notadivorcelawyer.com, for the next one. Now, grief after a narc relationship hits different. Regular grief, you're mad at the universe. Narc grief, it's regret city, wasted years, dashed dreams, believing their I'll change nonsense. Anger's fine. Punch a bag, scream at the stars, or annihilate a Kleenex box in a fit of rage. And it's a true story. I smashed one to bits, crying like a B-list soap star. Kleenex everywhere. I felt amazing though. Mind. But bitterness, back to bitterness. That's you chained to the narcissist, obsessing over their new life or plotting revenge like a budget supervillain. Newsflash, their new partner dumping them won't fix you. It's a 5-second smirk, then you're still stuck. Anger says, this sucked, I'm out. Bitterness is you're still renting headspace to a wanker who doesn't deserve it. Straightforward enough. I see it in clients, I see it in exes, cheating bosses, gaslighting parents, being absolute nightmares. You've been lied to, raged at, gaslit till you're questioning your own name. Don't extend the sentence. My coaching, my court prep, it's all about shining a light on those head wreckers. It's unsatisfying, like finding your favourite chippies turn into a vegan, but it's not you, it's them. Everyone's been played by the narcissist, even the narcissists themselves, so you're not alone. You're basically an Avengers level team of survivors. Now be angry, smash something safe, not your nan's vase, but don't confuse it with bitterness, which will eat your soul faster than a dodgy kebab. You ditched a stressor, bravo. Yes, it's messy with kids and family, but as that poet Rumi said, there's treasure in the ruins. Stop digging through the rubble, go grab it. Rubble, revenge, who knows? Forget their misery, live your best life. Nothing says sod you like strutting away, head held high, living authentically. And that's the goal. Glorious indifference to the narc. Now, ruminating, that obsessive replay of, I can't believe they did that. Now drop a comment if you're stuck in that loop. Healthy breakups. Now you move on. No mental hamster wheel. Narc ones, gaslighting leaves you second guessing your entire existence. Confident folks turn into anxious wrecks, muttering, Did I say that? Did I say that? It starts in the relationship, confusion city, and then lingers. After he helps, so do groups or reading up. It's not you, it's their chaos. If you're ruminating past 9 months, get help. Knowledge is your kryptonite to their nonsense. And here's the kicker. Stop saying, I allowed this. Stop saying you allowed this. I mean, I hear this in every single coaching session. I let this mess happen. I let it happen. Please, come on. What? Treating them like a decent human, forgiving their rubbish. You didn't sign up for their gaslighting circus. You expected kindness, not a knife in your back. Blaming yourself is just their spell working overtime. You were in the splash zone of their toxic sludge. Kids involved? You didn't know there'd be a nightmare parent. Schools don't teach Spot the Narcissist 101. Regrets, the worst wasted years. Missed chances. Believing their potential Drop your regrets in the comments and let's share that pain. Some regrets: leaving, thinking the next person gets better. Narcissist spoiler: there's no better version. Family narcs: you've missed love. Validation: a safe space to grow. Work: a narc boss steals your ideas, leaves you languishing. Regrets: a cancer spreads to victimhood. Fight it, accept it. Happened, accept it happened. Find purpose. Your superpower. Be gentle when triggers hit. Avoid the why me spiral. Therapy, groups, mediation, whatever works. Use it. Don't let narcs steal more time. Grief, post-narc. Normal relief's huge. Free at last. But you miss the good bits. Love bombing. Their charm. It's a roller coaster. What have I done? Then I'm flying. Self-doubt lingers, whispering, go back, go back. Don't write that. Don't go back. Write down every awful thing they did. The lies, the insults, shady text messages, one dark night. I listed mine. It took me 2 pages. I glance at it when doubt creeps in. Second chances, they'll blow it faster than the reality star's budget. Grief's human. That doesn't mean call back at all.